Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today we're going to show you how to draw the alolan vulpix from Pokemon Sun and Moon. If you must know, the alolan vulpix is an ice type, and vulpix in the Alola region was once known as Kyo, and some of its older folks still use its name. Its six tails can create a spray of ice crystals to cool itself off when it gets too hot. And this Vulpix, version of Vulpix, he was actually Lily's partner in Sun and Moon when it hatched from its shell. Same thing goes with the original Vulpix. When you start drawing him, drawing his hair could take some time, so I'm just going to zoom in. Anyways, a known fact about Vulpix, Lily called it Snowy, but still was unable to touch him. But truth be told, the reason why Lily couldn't touch any Pokemon is because she was attacked by Nihilego, the first Ultra Beast of the season. But anyways, the truth be told, I don't think having Vulpix as Lily's partner was a good idea. Because I prefer Ash being friends with Vulpix, and him training Vulpix to be the strongest, to be one of the strongest Pokemon in his arsenal. Plus, he would actually be a good partner to Vulpix, even though it would help him, even though Vulpix would evolve into a new type of into Ninetales. He would win the league eventually. And, anyways, if you saw my Nihilego video, then you should know, having Lily not able to touch Pokemon, I mean, having Lily on the show was a really bad idea. I believe, and seriously, I still think that character, I believe that Lily should have died in one of the episodes. And, truth is, Lily is not really a character who's worthy of being a trainer. I mean, the first time she learned that Z move, it was a total failure. And, even though she had a Magearna in her closet, still doesn't believe it. Still doesn't get my draft. I mean, even when she was face-to-face against Team Rocket, she probably should have died in the end as well. When she was going after her mother, and it's best if Gladion didn't know, and Lily probably gotten killed anyway. That would have been a good scene as well. And what else? It would have been awesomer if Vulpix had evolved from Ninetales. That way, Vulpix would have won in one of the leagues, in the Pokemon League anyway, but still it refuses to evolve. Anyways, Lily, she took off with her mother and Gladion in search of her father, but I'm glad Lily is gone forever. Truth is, I don't really like Lily. Lily is definitely the worst Pokemon trainer I've ever seen. And if I were in the show, I would probably kill her anyway. But anyways, when you start drawing her head, you need to color in the eyeliner here. And okay, when drawing her tail, you need to make it fluffy as a cloud, and then add a few lines here. And there we go. That's how you draw the alolan Vulpix, or Snowy, if you like to call it that. But anyways, that is exactly how you draw him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. And let's just hope. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you its attacks. Its attacks are Powder Snow, Tail Whip, Roar, Baby Doll Eyes, Ice Shard, Confuse Ray, Icy Wind, Payback, Mist, Feint Attack, Hex, Roar Beam, Extrasensory, Safeguard, Ice Beam, Imprison, Blizzard, Grudge, Captivate, and Sheer Cold. that's all the moves. So bye for now.